Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen on ZTE Blade A73. So you have to start with opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Now click on Hey Google and Voice Match. And now click here to enable Hey Google. Now click More and I agree. Now More and I agree. Now click Next. Click Next. More and I agree. And now click on Retrain Voice Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next, Next, More, and I agree. Now click Back, and now click on Lock Screen. Now click Yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. Okay Google. Okay Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.